Hey guys, this is the Powerstroke YouTube channel, and today I'm going to be opening and reacting to my new turbo getting in. Turbo's not coming until tomorrow, but a couple things have came in. So here I'm getting the KC Turbo's box. It's a turbo pedestal, and here is just new boost lines because I modified mine to fit my current turbo because there's no wastegate on it, so I didn't need the actuator boost line on it. It was just a boost leak there, so I deleted that. So I'm gonna be opening it up, these packages here, and the last box I'll be opening is the turbo. Like, that'll be coming in tomorrow, but be the same video. So I'm gonna get this camera set down and start opening these. Alright, let's open up just the boost lines here. So this is OEM part, I believe. OEM Ford part. Just the boost line that go to the intake, the boost reader, to wastegate actuator. So if you need the part number's right there. I don't know, maybe $15–20 on Amazon. It wasn't very expensive. And here would be the, maybe if I get my knife in there. There we go. I just cannot wait till the turbo comes in. So the stickers, got a lot of stickers. So this, I got the non-exhaust back pressure valve style, because obviously you don't need it with a new turbo. Comes deleted. And it does come with O-rings and new turbo pull-down bolts to go up on here, and a sticker. And man, that thing's clean. She's mint. So yesterday I did a rebuild on my old turbo that I will be selling once I get my new turbo put in and going. But I guess now I'll just have to wait for the new turbo to come in tomorrow and finish up this video here. Short and sweet video, but yeah, I wish I could stay this clean forever. Anyways, let's see ya back when the turbo comes. The time has come, the turbo has came. Let's get her opened up. So we opened up the new pedestal, got the new boost lines, and now the grand finale. First things first is, of course, stickers. This will be the new compressor to spider O-ring, new O-rings for the pedestal, top and bottom, even though I have another kit for the pedestal that came with pedestal. So set those off to the side. Ooh. Here she is. Finally have a wastegate again. It did come with another 4-inch intake hose. I might throw this with the turbo I'm selling over there because I already have one for my pickup, cut and measured and everything. So, pull this bad boy out. I am so excited for this. Anything else in the box? No, box is empty. Let's get this thing out. So clean. Bring you guys down a little bit. And this is the pretty part. Oh my gosh. This thing is gorgeous. I am so excited. You guys have no idea. There's their turbine in there. Oh, I hope my pickup runs so much better now. So, I guess that'll be it for the unboxing video here. I'm going to be installing it right away. So, look forward to tomorrow's upload that will be installing this turbo here. And then another one of testing it and final thoughts and a complete overview of the turbo. But, God, that's pretty. So, thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. It helped me out a whole lot. Get a few more of these cooler videos out there. So, let's go get this bad boy installed. See you later.